Hey Sosa, what are you doing?
Hey Roberto, we are here again. Remember I told you a couple of days ago? This is the table I mentioned to you, okay?
Okay.
Look right here, down here. Look how nice is this table, okay? All these moldings, all these kind of finish. Look down here, look. Look how beautiful it is. So, look at this side, please. Look. So what's happened, Roberto, was this. The water started getting right here on top of this table.
Okay.
And then over the years, this whole section start getting warped, getting like this. Understand? So, Bandit. So what Roberto and my team did yesterday, they shoot nails to make sure this won't warp again. And now I gotta do a finish. All right. So first of all, we have to sand, following the same ground of the wood. Make sure all the wood are doesn't have to be perfect, because you still have to show the beauty of the unit, which is the damage the unit got over the years. And when you do this kind of projects, you're not trying to make it like a new. No, you try to make it nice so it still show the beauty of the old age. I mean, you see all these details that table has it. So these things, we don't build these tables anymore. So you have to preserve. And that's why I believe they have colors. All right, so I sand it, make sure people won't get sprinkle on their fingers, making sure it's all nailed, won't warp again. And then now, after finish, clean and apply the finish, okay? I'll be back and I'll show you how we're gonna do it. Thank you.